Okay, what I have here is a 2010 VW GTI Autobahn Edition. As you can see, it has the black leather, satellite radio, Bluetooth, pretty immaculate condition inside. This weekend I was hit broadsided by a car that ran a stop sign. Totaled the door. There's not much else, too much wrong. There's a little bit of damage there, but 99% of the impact was right here, as you can tell. Knocked the bottom hinge out right here. So, you know, I don't know what it'd take to fix that. Pull that out, get a new door, line it up. Might work for you. What makes this car special is it has, as you guys all know, these cars came with problematic motors. This has a brand new 2013 crate motor bought from Cascade German. I bought this motor a few months ago. Brand new, you can see that. Nice and shiny. This is a brand new motor, folks. No BS here. It probably has less than 200 miles on it. It was just a get-around car. My son was getting his driver's license, so I bought this car thinking he would enjoy it, which he was enjoying it, until we got broadsided. So I'm going to sell the car, motor complete. Let me start it up. As you can see, no check engine lights. These lights came on after the collision. My front tires are flat. Seatbelt light, of course my seatbelt isn't fastened. And that airbag light, I'm not sure what that is. I'm sure it'll go out with a reset. You can hear, beautiful. No problems with this motor. Absolutely zero. It's brand new crate motor with probably less than 200 miles on it. If you want to verify it, you can call Cascade German. My name is Derek McDuffie. They can verify that they sold me the motor. Automatic. Moonroof. It's up for sale, people.